In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Taobao account 2025, step by step. We're going to link your mobile number to your Taobao account so you can sign in more easily, keep your account secure, and breeze through future checkouts. You can follow along on the mobile app or on a computer, and I'll call out the labels you'll see so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening Taobao. On the app, go to My Taobao, which is the profile area at the bottom. On a computer, head to login.taobao.com and sign in. A quick tip before we continue. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and have your phone nearby because you'll need to receive a text message during verification. Next, open your account settings. On the app from My Taobao, tap Settings, then tap Account Security. On a computer, click your profile avatar and choose Account Security. If your interface shows some Chinese labels, that's normal. You're looking for settings and account security, which may appear as Shiji and Zhanghao Anquan. Now look for the phone section. You should see something labeled mobile number, along with an option to bind phone or change phone. Tap or click that option to begin. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number. First choose your country or region code from the list, then type your phone number without the leading 0. In other words, if your local mobile number normally starts with a 0, remove that first digit and enter the rest. Double check the digits and the country code before you continue. Accuracy here prevents delays. Taobao will ask you to complete a quick slider verification. Simply drag the slider across to pass the CAPTCHA. This confirms it's a real person making the request and helps protect your account from automated attempts. Once the slider is complete, a 6-digit SMS code will be sent to the number you entered. Open the message, type the code back into Taobao, and submit. The code is time sensitive, so enter it promptly. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and ensure you have signal and can receive texts. Avoid requesting multiple codes too quickly, as that can temporarily lock the flow. After the code is confirmed, you'll see a success message indicating your Taobao account is now phone verified. That's it. If you previously had a number bound and you see change phone instead of bind phone, the process is the same. Interface layouts can vary slightly by app version, so keep your app updated for the smoothest experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your verified Taobao account.